Description: magnifying glass tilted left. Are you ready to take your camping experience to the next level? Camping Sparkles, get ready for an exciting journey as we unveil the top 10 mind-blowing camping inventions that will revolutionize the way you explore the great outdoors. Rocket Milky Way. Fire, from genius gadgets that make cooking a breeze to innovative solutions that guarantee a cozy night's sleep, we've curated the ultimate collection of camping gear that will make you the envy of every campsite. Glowing Star Hammer and Wrench. Light bulb. Discover the versatile portable solar-powered tent that keeps you charged up and connected no matter how remote your camping spot is. Sun electric plug. Never worry about running out of power again and capture those stunning wilderness moments with ease. Camera with flash. Sunrise over mountains. Cooking kitchen knife. Prepare to be amazed by the cutting-edge campfire cooking utensils that transform your outdoor meals into culinary masterpieces. Fork and knife with plate. Fire. No more compromising on deliciousness when you're far away from your kitchen. Get ready for some seriously mouth-watering camping cuisine. Face-savoring food. Pot of food. ZZZ Sparkles. Say goodbye to uncomfortable nights in a tent with the revolutionary inflatable sleeping pad that ensures a heavenly slumber even on rough terrain. Crescent Moon. ZZZ. Wake up refreshed and energized, ready to seize the day's adventures with gusto. Rainbow Rocket. Glowing Star. Join us on this thrilling showcase of camping inventions that are guaranteed to elevate your wilderness experience to a whole new level of comfort, convenience, and excitement. Glowing Star National Park. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with your favorite camping gadget from the video. Down Arrow Bell. Link. Don't miss out on this epic camping gear extravaganza. Click here to watch the video now and prepare to be blown away by these awesome camping inventions. Down Arrow Movie Camera. Backhand index pointing down. Fire Tent Sparkles. Let's make your next camping trip an unforgettable adventure. Evergreen Tree. Milky Way Camping. Glowing Star. Discover the ultimate collection of innovative camping inventions that will take your outdoor experience to the next level. From handy gadgets to ingenious gear, this video showcases 10 must-have items that every camping enthusiast should know about. Magnifying glass tilted left. Flashlight. Illuminate your campsite like never before with solar-powered lanterns that double as phone chargers. Sun with face. Stay cozy and warm in a high-tech sleeping bag equipped with built-in heating elements. Snowflake. Keep your food and drinks fresh for longer with a portable cooler that requires no ice. Hot Springs. Cook mouth-watering meals effortlessly using a compact and efficient camping stove. Tent. Set up your tent in seconds with a pop-up tent that practically assembles itself. Wind Face. Protect yourself from pesky bugs with a wearable insect repellent device that ensures uninterrupted relaxation. Crescent Moon. Light up your nights with a lightweight inflatable camping pillow that glows in the dark. Hammer and Wrench. Stay prepared for any situation with a versatile multi-tool that combines multiple functions in one. Speaker. High Volume. Take your campfire gatherings to new heights with a portable outdoor speaker that delivers amazing sound quality. Camera with flash. Capture breathtaking moments with a rugged and waterproof action camera that can withstand any adventure. Rainbow. Whether you're a seasoned camper or new to the great outdoors, these awesome camping inventions are bound to enhance your wilderness experience. Don't miss out on this incredible lineup. Snow-capped mountain deciduous tree. Join us on this virtual camping expedition and let the innovation ignite your adventurous spirit. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more thrilling content. Movie Camera. Bell. Happy camping, explorers. Sunrise over mountains. Camping dizzy. Description: welcome to our channel, fellow adventurers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of camping with a collection of 10 incredible camping inventions that will revolutionize your outdoor experience. Camping Sparkles. From high-tech gadgets to ingenious gear, these camping innovations are designed to make your camping trips unforgettable and hassle-free. Picture this: an all-terrain camper van that can conquer any terrain, solar-powered portable showers that provide refreshing hot water after a long hike, and compact camping stoves that can cook up a gourmet meal in minutes. Minibus sun shower cooking. But that's not all. We'll also showcase innovative tent designs that are lightweight, weatherproof, and can be set up in mere minutes, keeping you cozy and protected during your wilderness escapades. And for those who can't bear to be without their gadgets, we have solar-powered charging devices that keep your phones and cameras juiced up, so you never miss capturing that breathtaking sunset or wildlife encounter. National Park camera with flash high voltage. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and join us as we explore the cutting edge of camping inventions. Get ready to level up your outdoor game and make memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting content. Let's get wild. Evergreen tree fire magnifying glass tilted left. Movie camera watch more adventure videos, insert video link follow us on Instagram, insert Instagram handle, speech balloon share your favorite camping inventions in the comments below. Welcome to our channel, nature enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your camping adventures to a whole new level? In this exciting video, we're bringing you a treasure trove of incredible camping hacks and tips that will revolutionize the way you experience the great outdoors. Evergreen tree tent sparkles. Join us as we uncover the secrets to maximizing comfort, convenience, and enjoyment during your camping trips. From ingenious DIY solutions to smart packing techniques, we've got you covered. Discover how to create cozy and luxurious sleeping arrangements using simple camping hacks, transform ordinary cooking tools into versatile campfire cooking equipment, and even make DIY lanterns from everyday items, illuminating your campsite with a warm glow. Bed cooking red paper lantern. But that's not all, we'll also share expert tips on campsite selection, setting up a tent like a pro, and navigating through different terrains. Learn how to stay organized with practical storage solutions, keep your food fresh with clever cooler hacks, and even create your very own portable outdoor shower using basic materials. These camping hacks will not only save you time and effort but also make your outdoor experience more enjoyable and stress-free. World Map luggage shower. Prepare to be amazed by the versatility of everyday items as we showcase unconventional uses for items like pool noodles, bungee cords, and duct tape, turning them into essential camping tools you never knew you needed. We'll also dive into the world of campfire cooking, sharing mouth-watering recipes and innovative techniques that will have you whipping up gourmet meals in the wilderness. Hot dog fire fork and knife with plate. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a beginner exploring the great outdoors for the first time, this video is your ultimate guide to unlocking the full potential of camping. Get ready to elevate your camping game, create unforgettable memories, and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature like never before. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, as we have plenty more camping adventures, tips, and hacks coming your way. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Herb sunrise over mountains magnifying glass tilted left. Movie camera watch more exciting outdoor adventures, insert video link follow us on Instagram for stunning nature photography, insert Instagram handle. Speech balloon share your favorite camping hacks and tips in the comments below. Camping sparkles welcome to our channel, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to embark on an epic journey into the world of camping? In today's video, we are thrilled to present to you the ultimate guide to awesome camping. Join us as we explore the essential gear, tips, and tricks that will make your camping trips unforgettable. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, this video has everything you need to know to have a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable camping experience. So, grab your backpack, put on your adventure hat, and let's